Please continue.
25. However, I have never personally opened these accounts or appeared before the said banks to process any application in relation thereto. These were opened by people close to PRRD, who informed me that money will be transferred to these accounts for intelligence operation and for laundering. I was later instructed to sign an entire checkbook where the amounts and pays are left blank. I agreed to do this because at the time I had complete trust in PRRD and his close associates.
At dito nagiging interesting si Madriaga bilang witness. Marami agad nagsasabing, criminal din pala siya. Bagman pala siya. Bakit paniwalaan? Pero sa corruption cases, insiders are often the ones who know where the bodies are buried.
I admit that during PRRD's term as president, I served as a dummy for the transfer of large amount of money. These transfers were made through bank accounts that were opened under my name, which include but are not limited to the following: China Bank, Legazpi Village, Makati City.
In fact, minsan mas credible pa ang witness na inaamin ang sariling part niya kaysa sa witness na nagpapanggap na malinis siya sa lahat. Lalo kung detailed ang testimony, falsifiable ang claims, pwedeng i-corroborate, at willing siyang ipa-audit ang sarili niyang accounts. That raises the stakes.